Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latanya. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the new people that clicked on this link. If you are new and you're watching this video and you want to see what this video is about, make sure you stop what you're doing, that you thumbs up this video, and that you hit that subscribe button.
DJ Bugsy.
So, as you can see by the title and my craziness right now, I'm about to show you how I install my glueless wigs. This is a very great concept if you're trying to save money, if you're not trying to spend too much money, or you just don't have time to sit in that salon chair to get your hair done. What we're going to be installing is this wig behind me. As you can see, this beauty right here. If you did watch my previous video dyeing this wig jet black and putting crimps in it, you can see how I did all that. So make sure that if you just want to see how I dye my wig with watercolor and crimping my hair, just click on the video before this. Yeah, so enough me rambling, let's get into this video. So today you will need your wig cap. Of course, I have mine on already. You need some got-to-be freeze spray, a clip, hair clip, of course, to keep the hair out the way while you're installing. Any type of gel. I'm going to use this eco gel to actually lay down my baby hairs, or you can use some mousse. You're going to need some type of skinny comb or an edge brush. Of course, these are popular these days. I have this edge brush, which is the brush at the end, comb at the other end. To need your foundation color or powder. I'm using the powder, and this is in Ruby Kiss by Kiss, and this is the mineral powder, and this is in chestnut. You're going to need a foundation or a powder brush, of course, to put your powder on your cap. That's all the items you need. Make sure you have all those items before you actually install your wig or whatever you're installing, so you can get this wig laid. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you want to put your wig cap on. Of course, I already have mine on, and you're going to get your foundation or your powder, whatever you prefer. I use powder. So I'm going to take a little bit of that powder in my color, and I'm going to swirl it around, and I'm lightly going to dab that powder onto my cap. And usually you can just put the powder in the area of your part. So if you have a middle part, you can just put the powder in that area, or you have a side part, you can just put the part in the area. But for me, I like to just go ahead and put the powder on my whole front of my cap, because this is a lace frontal. This is a lace frontal wig. So I just want to cover that area, just because if I do want to wear it in another specific way besides my middle part, I can just already have that color powder or foundation on my cap, and I don't have to go back in to put any more on. So you're going to go ahead and keep putting this on until the front of your cap is covered. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed this part up, because you get the gist, right? Okay, so now that your powder is on, or your foundation is on your cap, and as you can see, I did put it just at that frontal area part of my cap. So now that it's on, you just want to make sure that you adjust it to your hairline and to where you want, and you want to make sure all your hair is under that cap. Now what you're going to do after your cap is on, you put your powder on or your foundation, whatever you prefer. You now want to get your wig, duh. And this hair, as you can see, it is a lace frontal wig, and it has combs inside the wig already, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And I did install a elastic band, because as you can see, my head is really small, so I need that extra support for my head for this glueless wig install. So I did install a elastic band, which you just sew an elastic band in your wig cap to adjust it to your head size. So this is a body wave wig, which I dyed jet black and I crimped the hair, as you can see. And this is a 24-inch wig from Azina Styles, and I'll leave the description and everything that you need to know in the description box so you can go check out this hair. So I'm going to put my elastic band over top of my head, as you can see, so it can be all the way in the back. And I'm going to flip my head, the back part, and I'm also going to put this clip on. I'm going to use this comb for my back part to make it even more snug. Okay, now that my wig is on, I'm going to adjust it to how I want it. And you see why we need that clip. I'm going to put the clip to get the hair out the way, just so I can adjust it a little bit more on my head. Okay, now that my wig is fully on, I'm going to go ahead and flip the front of my frontal part. You want to get your Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm only going to spray in the front area, not too much, but just to have that steady and laid down melted look. But you're not really using your bold lace glue. You're just going to use your freeze spray. So I'm going to spray a little bit. Make sure it doesn't drip down your head. And just lay it on your forehead. Not on your hairline, but on your forehead. And you just want to make sure that that glue is on your forehead where your wig is going to lay. Now you want to make sure that that glue is sticky enough in order for your front lace to lay down. So now that that glue is dry, you want to go ahead and adjust your wig on top of the freeze spray to lay it down. Okay, now that your wig is on, you want to go ahead and comb out your baby hairs. Since I already did do my baby hairs, I'm just going to go ahead and comb them out, just so I can lay them a little bit back down than what they were, as you can see. I don't know why. Where's my scissors? Okay, so oops. So you're gonna take your gel or your mousse, either one, and you're just going to take a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, and put it where you're laying your baby hair. So now that my baby hairs is laid And I put the scarf on. I'm gonna take my scarf off and ooh wee, yeah. Do y'all see that? Okay. So this is my quick lace install. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of my powder that I used for my cap, and I'm gonna take that and put it on. Take a little smaller brush, and I'm gonna put it on my hairline. So it can look more seamless and natural. You don't really need a lot, just dabbing on that area that your part is on. And I'm also going to take a little bit of powder and put it on my outside cap. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure that you like and thumbs up this video, and make sure that you subscribe if you are a newbie to my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. DJ Bugsy.